In this demonstration, we'll be walking through how you can build trust in the AI to be able to explain exactly why it's made certain decisions. This is how we can build the trust in the data. So for this particular use case, we've imported a list of companies. Now, this company is a melting pot of different types of data. For example, if we take this Topco Associates LLC, we can see that it's got a company ID. We can see that it's got a name. We can see that it's got a street address. And there's just for sake of an example, there is a car model that is associated with this company. Okay, so these are all companies that basically associate and advertise with certain brands. We have to do a couple of things. Number one is that we need to figure out what is the manufacturer of those models. And we also need to split out these company suffixes into a structure so we know essentially can show on reports the different types of business suffixes we have. At the same time, I want the system to be able to explain exactly why it made certain decisions. So let's head over to our rule builder. I'm going to activate these 3 rules. Let's take a look at what we're asking of the system. So in this case, we're going to ask the system, given the model, the car model of company.model, just return the name of the manufacturer. Okay, seems simple enough. If we head back to the second rule, as you can imagine, extract the suffix from the company name and just return the company suffix. Simple enough. The last rule becomes interesting in that we've got 2 actions that are running. Given the data we're processing, we're going to say, what is the company suffix in this name and why do we call it a business suffix? In the next piece, provide a confidence in the form of a percentage for how confident you are that company name contains a business suffix in it. So let's head back. Let's process this record through those business rules. Let's just make sure we've actually activated them all. Yes, we have. And if we head back and refresh our screen, you'll see that it's done a couple of things. Number one, it's done the job we asked. It's split the LLC out into a company suffix. It's also been able to validate that the model of this B2600 is under the Mazda manufacturer. We can also see that it's explained exactly why it thinks that LLC is a company suffix. And then it's provided me this match confidence as well. I would say that I'm 95% confident that Topco Associate LLC contains a business suffix in it. So this all allows us to be able to set up automated flows that if these confidence levels fall below a certain standard, we can automatically notify data stewards that there is something that they might need to look at. Now, the engine might still have done a good job. In this case, we might need to manually correct it. But this closes that loop of explainability in the AI, that it's not just a magic box. We can understand specifically why it made certain decisions.